the stroke of midnight, about 22 million Americans lost an important benefit.
Yeah, federal money that helped them afford health insurance, that's now gone. And without those subsidies, many will see their premiums under the Affordable Care Act go up, even double in price. The decision to sign up is January 15th. Today, I talked to a family that's feeling that financial squeeze.
This new year starts with uncertainty for many Oklahomans, worried about their health coverage or ability to pay for it. The Affordable Care Act premium tax subsidies are over. Congress chose not to extend them before leaving for holiday recess. In Oklahoma, over 300,000 are enrolled in the ACA, many who are self-employed, students, or work for employers without health coverage. But with premiums going up, sometimes doubling, it's predicted about 100,000 Oklahomans could drop their policies.
And I've had multiple clients now just say, I can't afford any insurance now.
I work full-time. Me and my husband are full-time youth pastors at our church.
Nikki Smith and her husband have 2 jobs, 2 kids, and an ACA health policy.
I have a 7-year-old son who has ADHD severely, and then my daughter has autism. We went from paying $225 with a subsidy to $186 with a subsidy. But now that they go away, I can see us paying $800 a month.
Nikki has learned to ignore social media comments like these. If you don't like the health care you have, go find a job that offers better. Or, here's an idea, get a job and pay for it. She says there's a lot of misinformation about who's using the health care.
Think about that for a second. A youth pastor is now having to decide between groceries and her kids' health insurance. She's not the only one. Many people are looking to the state capitol asking why something hasn't been done.
Oklahoma ranks 11th per capita for residents who rely on the ACA. Nearly 8% in the state are enrolled.
I wish they would have the government, the people, whoever's in charge, who's ever taking care of this.
Earlier this month, Insurance Commissioner Glenn Mulready argued the subsidies can't last forever, but should be phased out, not suddenly dropped.
I know a lot of people are going to panic, and like I said, a lot of people are going to go into debt.
And there is a chance U.S. lawmakers will take action to extend the subsidies. But once again, Oklahomans have to not only sign up by January 15th, they have to pay those increased premiums in order to get that coverage.